Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the final opportunity to buy a new construction home in the Melcon Farm community. This is a community being developed by Taylor Morrison, located in Jacksonville, Florida. Now, this is the Luzon floor plan. This home features 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, a 3-car garage, and has approximately 3,187 square feet. Now, this home sits on a large lot. You can see here there's lots of space in between your neighbor, and this home also sits on a cul-de-sac. Now, the Melcon Farm community is a small community located in the heart of Mandarin, where you're going to be close to shops, restaurants. You can see here the driveway is paved leading up to the front porch. Have a side light there with an 8-foot entry door. Okay, here's the foyer. Nice wide foyer, wood look tile throughout the first floor. We're going to start our tour here to the right. This is the dining room. This room is approximately 11 feet with 4 inches by 11 feet. Tray ceiling. And then this window has blinds. And this home does include blinds. Next, we have the kitchen. 3 pendants, quartz countertop. This is a pretty large island here. Looks like you can fit 4 to 5 chairs. You have some additional cabinetry here at the island. This is the gourmet style layout. Under cabinet lighting, already includes the backsplash. So you have your vent there over the cooktop with the microwave oven combo. Your farmhouse style stainless steel sink with the gooseneck faucet. Here's the pantry. So walk-in pantry. And the cabinets are soft close. Next is the casual dining area, some additional lighting there, and then pre-wire for a light fixture. Continuing into the living room. This room is about 18 feet with 10 inches by 15 feet 8 inches. Large space, you have a floor outlet. Before we continue our tour over there into the first bedroom, I'm gonna take a look here at this storage closet. All right, so lots of space here. And this house does feature a 3-car garage. Take a quick look inside. So you have the 2-car opening there, and then a single car opening there. This home has the pre-plumb for a water softener. Okay, continuing on to the first bedroom, which would be the 5th bedroom on the floor plan. All right, this bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 12 feet. Okay, carpet, and then this room features a walk-in closet. And then a bathroom here, walk-in shower with tile, quartz countertops with an undermount sink, linen closet here. All right, let's take a look at the lanai. Looks like you have 9-foot sliders that are 8 feet high. And then this home on the first floor has 9-foot ceilings. All right, so here's the lanai and a view of the backyard. So paved lanai. And then there is a summer kitchen prep. You have the pre-plumb there for a sink, outlet, some additional outlets over here, set up a TV. All right, let's take a look upstairs. Okay, wood stairs here with wood open railing. And then from here up is carpet. There's going to be carpet throughout the second floor, except for the wet areas. Continuing our tour to the left is the loft area, tray ceiling with additional lighting. 3 windows over here allowing natural light, include blinds. This room is approximately 18 feet with 8 inches by 16 feet. And we'll continue our tour into bedroom 2, which is approximately 11 feet by 13 feet. Here is the closet. So walk-in closet. Right. Bedroom 2 includes an ensuite bath. So you have a single sink here, and then shower tub combo, and then tile floor. Okay, next is bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 is approximately 13 feet with 8 inches by 11 feet 10 inches. A walk-in closet here. And 2 windows allowing lots of natural light. All right, these double doors are the mechanical room. That's where the HVAC is going to be, the air handler. Okay, next bathroom here, 2 sinks. And then shower tub combo. We have tile. Okay, bedroom 4 is approximately 15 feet with 2 inches by 11 feet 8 inches. 2 windows there with blinds. So all of the rooms include walk-in closets. All right, let's take a look at the laundry room just before heading into the owner's suite. Okay, here's a pre-plumb for a sink, and then your dryer, washer connections, and then a window, low voltage panel, and then here we have the primary suite or owner suite with a tray ceiling. So 9-foot ceilings on the first floor as well. And then with the tray ceiling, it'll bump it up to about 10 feet. 3 windows here, allowing lots of natural light. And then 8-foot interior doors on both the first floor and second floor. The primary suite is approximately 14 feet with 10 inches by 16 feet 4 inches. Here's the owner's bath. 2 sinks, quartz countertops, undermount sink. And then there's this large Shower here. 2 transom windows. Water closet, and then the walk-in closet over here. If you'd like more information on this home or looking to move to the Northeast Florida area, I'd love to connect. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.